Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram voice messages not playing on iPhone. So guys, how to fix Instagram messages not playing on iPhone. If you are having trouble playing voice messages on Instagram, here are some solutions you can try to fix this issue. Number one is make sure your Instagram voice messages is not working. You can see not playing. So guys, how to fix? Make sure close the Instagram app and reopen it again and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check your internet connection. Poor internet connection can causes voice messages not be loaded or playing properly. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or having a strong mobile data connection. Simply, if you are using Wi-Fi, simply tap on the settings, tap on Wi-Fi and disable it, and after 10 to 20 seconds turn it on back and fix your problem. If you are using mobile data, simply disable it and re-enable the mobile data and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is update your Instagram app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Outdated version can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Tap on App Store app and tap on the profile icon. Little bit scroll up. If update Instagram update is pending or available, simply install the new Instagram update and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update your device operating system. Ensure that your device operating system is up to date. Sometimes outdated OS iOS versions can causes compatibility issues with the apps like Instagram, Facebook and any other apps. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update, checking for updates. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update on your iPhone and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working on your iPhone, not applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reinstall Instagram app. If none of the above solution works, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This can help fix any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the issue. Simply go to the Instagram app and tap on it. Tap 5 to 10 seconds. Tap on remove app. Tap on delete app. You want to delete app and reinstall again and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is if you are using an Android device, you can try cleaning the cache and data for the Instagram app. Go to the settings app, Instagram storage, then tap on clear cache and clear data. If you are using iPhone, simply tap on settings and little bit scroll up, tap on Instagram app. You can see if permissions are not allowing microphone notification, simply turn it on and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, contact Instagram support. If none of the above solutions work, you can reach out the Instagram support team for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or investigate if there's a larger issue causing the problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Instagram voice messages not playing on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.